Good morning, caterpillars. Yesterday was Wednesday. That means we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Thursday and tomorrow will be Friday already. Here is our number. What number is this? It comes after 7. It is a 8. There's an 8. Can you make an 8 with your hand? Good job. And our pattern is an AABB pattern. So what comes after this flower? Another flower. A good observation. You guys are noticing umbrella, umbrella, flower, flower, and it keeps going on. Let's try our math stories adding today. So if I have 5 bees and I'm in the meadow and I see 2 more, how many bees are there? If I have 5 bees and I see 2 more, how many bees will I have? What do you guys think? That's right, I will have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 and 2 is 7. Let's do our subtraction story. So if I have 4 flowers and I give 1 away, how many will I have left? If I have 4 flowers and I give 1 away, how many will I have left? That's right, I will have 3. 1, 2, 3. Listen as I say these words. Which 2 words have the same middle sound? That middle sound is the sound up here. Listen to my words and tell me which has the same middle sound. Cat, at, n, and egg, egg. Which 2 had the same middle sound? N was an F sound and leg, leg. They have the same middle sound. Let's look at our brain food. Let's look at our brain. Let's get our brain working this morning. As I say them, I want you to repeat them. At, the, see, like, in, and is. Those are our brain food words. So let's read this sentence together. I see the seed. I see the seed. Here is the word see. S-E-E. Let's highlight that word for us. That is the word see. And this was the word the. T-H-E. I see the seed. Let's look at this one. I like to run. I like to run. T-O is the word to. That's something we like to do. I like to run. What do you like to do? You do. I like to run. T-O. Let's copy that word right there and let's add it to our brain. T-O is the word to. All right, so let's look at these words and I want you to tell me how these words are alike. Okay, it could be the middle, it could be the beginning, the middle, or the end, or it could be a rhyme. How are these words alike? Listen as I say them. Snail, wall, apple, pretzel, ball, camel. Did you hear anything that was the same? Let's say them again. Snail, wall, apple, pretzel, ball, camel. Talk with your neighbor or talk with a parent and tell them how maybe there's a sound that may be alike in all of those words. Is it the beginning sound? I don't think so. Snail, camel, they have a different sound. Is it the middle sound? Or is it the ending? Which sound do you think it is? All right, guys, I hope you were able to talk it out a little bit. If you said they all have the same ending sound and it was the O sound, you were right. Listen again. Camel, ball, pretzel, apple, snail, wall. They all have the same ending sound. All right, guys, draw 2 of those words together for me and record it here. I'll talk to you later. Bye.